Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your earbuds Edifier HECATE GX07 using application. You have to start by open Edifier Connect application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see the same menu and we need to go to the settings at the right top. Right here at the right side we have factory settings. Tap at this icon and then click confirm. After that we need to reconnect these earbuds with your phone. So hide the application and open settings. Go to the Bluetooth and or connected devices. And at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, click Pair New Device at the top, and if you have iOS, you can or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or just go back and return to the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you don't need to use connection button, you just tap at your earbuds at the device list, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!